Today we're going to talk about one of our go-to brands for when we're traveling called Sons, and we've done several videos of their products, and today we're going to kind of do like a roundup of all their products because most of the reviews we've done are like each individual, and then we've had quite a bit of questions on different products. So we're like, let's just do one video where we show like our most favorite and popular ones that get a lot of questions. So Crystal's gonna go over their popular backpacks, and I'm gonna go over more of their other style bags.
Also wanted to note that we were gifted all of these items from Sons. In the beginning, when we were using Sons products, we actually purchased them on our own, but they reached out to us later and saw, our review of their bags, and they liked it, so they reached out to us to see if we wanted to work with them.
Yeah, I think at first it was like a camera bag. Remember, like the purse?
So, yeah.
Yeah, and like it's been years. So these are like bags like throughout the years that they've gifted us, and we still use to this day.
Yeah, so we were gifted these items now that we're gonna show you guys, but these are, again, our genuine opinions. Like, we really love these bags. We use them all the time on all of our travels. You see them in like all of our, trips to Japan. They show up very often in our like what to wear post, what to take, what to pack. Yeah. So yeah, we just wanted to go over like why we love all these individual bags so much, and to see like which one is the right fit for you. So the first bag I'm gonna go over is the Rowledge. So this specific one that I have is called the Rowledge 2. They still have the original Rowledge, and it's pretty much the same, except though there's one feature that's really different about it, and that feature is this bottom compartment. So they have a separate compartment down here that's made to store your shoes. We have them wrapped up right now, so it's protected. But so the shoes won't get smushed, you can just leave them in a separate compartment, and up top it's separated, and you can put more things like your essentials for traveling, such as like cables, hard drives, or money, wet wipes, chapstick, whatnot. I actually don't use the bottom compartment for shoes. I actually use this compartment for my camera, because I often don't use a dedicated camera bag for the DSLR camera, just because like I tend to just like not use it because it's just so much hassle to get out of the backpack and like take a picture. This bag is usually my personal item. And then I have a carry-on suitcase. So I want to fit everything in this bag, which it works with this bag because here's my camera, my Sony DSLR, and it just fits perfectly in here. On top of that, I can put an extra lens too with it. So it's super convenient. So now, when I'm traveling with this backpack and I want to take a picture real quick, I can just like open this bottom compartment and get it. Because previously, I've also used this bag to put in my camera, but I would store the camera at the very bottom of the bag. So I'd have to like dig out everything and then get to my camera. This is just so much easier and more convenient just to open this compartment and get my camera. So again, it wasn't meant for that, but when I saw this, instantly that's what my mind went to that, was like, oh, I could use it for my camera gear. So that's the main feature I love about this new Rowledge 2. In the back here, this is the laptop compartment. So I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and it fits just fine in here. Like actually, I could actually fit an iPad in here as well with my laptop, which I do often. And yeah, it just fits just fine.
And I still see there's like at least 2 inches of space above. Yeah,
there's so much more room. Candy here has a 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is like the Mac Daddy of them all, and it's super heavy. But we try to put this in and it doesn't fit. Yeah, the corners stick out. I tried to kind of like make it work, but it's gonna just, snag here. Yeah, definitely scratch it. It just won't fit.
Yeah.
It's too big.
It's too big for that.
So yeah, if you're wondering if your 16-inch MacBook Pro will fit, it will not.
No.
But 13-inch, fine. I think a 15-inch will probably fit really snug, but yeah, the 16-inch definitely not. And then, of course, with a lot of our luggage now, what we like to have, or actually more of a requirement now, what we like to have is a luggage sleeve. In the back, they have the luggage sleeve here. And if you don't want to use it, you can actually zip it up too down here and then use it as an extra pocket. So yeah, so it's very convenient to have a luggage sleeve so you can put it on top of your suitcase so that I don't strain my back if, you know, when I have to put it on my back. I've had times when I didn't have the luggage sleeve and it was just so much more of a hassle. I hated it. But this just makes traveling so much more easy. There's actually a lot more features to this bag that I love, but I'm not gonna go into all of it because we have like other bags to review today. But if you do wanna check out all the details, I have 2 videos on the Rowledge, so you can check them out in the links below or wherever we link it.
The next bag is the Aoyama bag, and I believe I started using this, has it been 2 years now? Last year. Last year is when I started using this bag, and when they came out with this bag, I was immediately drawn to it. I was like, oh, this is like perfect medium-sized bag. So when I first got this, the first trip I took it on was to Charleston, South Carolina. And what drew me to this bag was the moon shape, like the crescent shape design. And when I wear it over my chest like this, how it lays like so close, but it really like hugs your body. And that's what I really liked about it. Another thing that I really liked about this bag is that you can wear it 3 different ways. So I like to personally wear it like this, where it's close to my chest. But if you want to make it into more of like a crossbody bag, you can do that as well because there is an extra strap in here. So if you want to, you can also wear it as a crossbody by putting on this extra strap. And another way you can use this, which I thought this was so adorable, like if you want to use this as like a bag at night, you can just remove the strap completely and carry it like this. So that's kind of what I did like when I was in the first time when we were traveling to South Carolina. Like during the day, you know, I would use it as a crossbody, and then like when we went out to dinner and stuff like that, or we went out drinking, I would use it in this way. You know, there's a lot of like brands or bags out there where they say like, oh, you can use this bag during the day and then also at night. But I felt like a lot of those bags, they're so casual that when you then did try to use it at night, I feel like it didn't match. I feel like it was a little bit too casual if you're like dressed up. And because Low & Sons is really great about thinking about what the user would want in a bag, because most bags too, it's just like, okay, well, here's a zipper, and inside you might have 1 extra zipper. But with all of Low & Sons bags, there's a lot of organizational compartments. And so this one has a ton. It doesn't look like it, but on the side here, which is really awesome, is like this easy access pocket. So I always put my phone here. So whenever we're out somewhere, instead of going through the main compartment, especially if I'm wearing it over like across my chest, I can easily just unzip it here and take it out right away, instead of like kind of removing the bag and opening it up this way. And there's like multiple compartments in here, mesh compartments. And this bag too, I go even more into detail about all those compartments. So the one question that someone asked, and I was like, oh, I didn't think about, is if an iPad could fit in here. I mean, I personally wouldn't put an iPad in here. Actually, I had put a camera in here though when we were out. It makes it a little bit bulky.
Yeah.
But
will actually fit a camera. So try the iPad first.
Yeah, so let me put the iPad in here. Now there's nothing in this bag, keep that in mind. So with nothing really in it, which, okay, it does fit, but you know, I mean, if you're putting maybe a wallet and a phone, okay, I think it's doable. Yeah.
Yeah, it fits.
It fits.
There you go.
I didn't think it would fit.
Ta-da!
But it does fit. So
Let's see if this camera fits. I usually put kind of like this cover over it. It doesn't close, but just this. So that fits just fine too.
But it just takes up the entire space.
Yeah, I mean, you can put a little bit
maybe
more.
Maybe you could still put your phone in there and maybe lip gloss.
Yeah. But that's cool.
But it does fit.
Makes me want to have this bag now.
It's so cute.
Yeah. All right, so next I'm gonna go over this backpack. This is Melrose. This is the dust bag that it comes in, which is really nice. Most Low & Sons products, they come in a nice dust bag like this. So if you're not using the bag, you know, you can store it in this nice little bag here. Kind of similar to the Rowledge, but there is one main big difference, is this top portion right here. So this is a detachable purse. The whole idea is you travel with a backpack, but once you get somewhere, you want a purse that you go out with. The way we use it is once you get on the plane, you know, because you're only allowed one personal item and then one carry-on. But when you go on the plane, especially if you're on an exit row that doesn't have a seat in front of you, you have to put all of your stuff up in the overhead bin space. But if you have like a little item with you in the seat, they'll let you keep that with you.
Usually they don't catch it.
Yeah, they usually don't catch it. If they do, then they're a little bit mean.
Yeah, because it happened to me one time, and I'm like, oh, okay, and I just put my coat over.
Yeah, so just hide it. So anyway, so yeah, in those certain cases, we just put everything in this little purse and then keep it with us on the plane. I get a little bit worried that I don't have my stuff with me, especially like if you're worried about having like, you know, your money, your passport and stuff like that. You can just keep it all with you in this little pouch purse here. So it comes with this really nice strap. It's like the Aoyama bag strap,
yes.
Where it has this embossed Sons logo.
I love it.
Yeah.
Although someone was like, I hate it.
Yeah, we had someone that said they didn't like this at all,
I mean,
but I actually like it.
Yes.
Like, cause I'm with the person that commented, like they don't like logos, like, you know, on the bag or whatever item they're wearing. But this is just so like,
it's subtle. Like,
it's very, very subtle. And I think it looks sleek. So I do like it. But if you don't, yeah, you know, that is a thing. They do put their brand name on this strap. But yeah, you can just snap it on the D-rings that they have here. So yeah, you can use it as a purse. And actually it has like a really good amount of space in it.
There's an iPad here?
I don't think an iPad will fit, but we'll see. No, it won't fit sideways either. So yeah, definitely not big enough to fit an iPad in this. But yeah, so then here's the backpack. So the backpack, it opens like in a circle like this, and it's separated as well. So there's a top compartment up here where you can put all your belongings that you want access to. Again, there's like lots of room in here, lots of the little different compartments, mesh pockets. So on the bottom is this zipper down here, and so you know you can put more stuff.
Yeah, like shoes.
Yeah, you can put like shoes down in here.
I thought I had shoes.
It's right here. Yeah, so you can put the shoes in here, and that's what it's meant for. But it doesn't have to be shoes. It can be anything. Like I use it for the camera. I believe you used it for the camera too. Yeah. So that's very convenient. Again, front pocket. You know, you can put more things in. Again, very similar to the Rowledge, but the one difference I think with the Melrose, like it is more compact. So this front pocket is smaller than the Rowledge. Also, this bottom compartment, we felt like on the Melrose, it doesn't, see how it like slouches down like this? It doesn't do that on the Rowledge, but on the Melrose, it kind of slouches down. Yeah. So you didn't have like the more like constructed, space. So that is just like one thing to note. Not a big deal, but it's just one thing. Cause you know, again, like it has that convenient thing of this purse that you can detach and the Rowledge doesn't. So it just depends on what you want. 2 zippered pockets on the side. There is a luggage sleeve. You can put your this on top of your suitcase for easy travel. And another difference with the Melrose is the laptop zipper compartment, the access point is on the side. Did your laptop fit in this?
I can't remember. Did it?
So we tried the 16-inch laptop. It definitely does not fit.
No.
It will not fit a 16-inch MacBook Pro. So I have a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and this will fit just fine, but just perfectly, I would say. So I don't think you can go any bigger than that. I think it has to be a 13-inch max laptop, but the iPad could go in with it, which I often do. You just put it in together and then zip it up, because it is like a more compact bag. It's smaller than the Rowledge, so that's the Melrose.
So the last bag is the Bond bag, and I've had this for several years now. I first got this bag and used it quite often on our travels while I was traveling. That was until I actually started using this bag. So what I used to do is when I would travel with this bag, I would have this inside my backpack, and then once I got to my seat, I would take it out, put it on, and kind of hide it, and then put my bag up. But now that they came out with the Melrose bag, I don't have to do that anymore. So sometimes I use this, I would say I use this more at home now, but I still do take it on my travels because there are times when I don't want to use that purse. I think this is just like, I like wearing it around like
a sling bag.
Yeah, I like the sling bag a lot more. So a lot of times if I'm not in the mood to wear it like as a purse per se, then I would, you know, and I don't mind packing this because it's so lightweight. It doesn't take up much room at all in my suitcase. And I just like how the material is really soft. It's the same material as the Aoyama bag. It's like this buttery, soft sheepskin leather. So it's very lightweight. And like I said, I like the design that I can wear it like over my chest. And when I first got this, I went to Japan. Our little sister liked it so much that she wanted one. So we got her one for her, I think it was like Christmas or something. So, but I waited till like it went on sale. Cause I will say like, because it's sheepskin leather, the price point is a little bit high. So when it went on sale, I bought it for, well, we bought it for our sister. So we gifted it to her. But that's how much like, she really liked the style. And so whenever we actually go and visit, sometimes we're both wearing the same sling bag because we both have the same style. And we both picked black. I don't know. I think at the time when I got this, they didn't have this other color, but I think if they did, I would have gone with it. Just because, I don't know, sometimes like with my smaller bags, I want a lighter color because my bigger bags are always a dark color. But you can also change the strap size. You can wear this actually like kind of like a crossbody purse. And also, just like all the other bags, there is organizational pockets, which you would think like a little bag like this would not have any, but it's got a lot. Which actually comes in handy, especially when a bag is so small and you're kind of like stuffing a lot of things in there. When there's a lot of places where you can like separate things, it does make it easy to find your stuff. This I use for like running little errands where I know I'm not gonna be out all day like traveling, like doing sightseeing. I think I do this more with sightseeing. This is more like I'm just gonna be around the area, like the hotel I'm at, or a little bit of shopping. And then the book bag is more like when I'm traveling, like on the airplanes or train. So I have like different uses like for all these bags.
That's our 4 main bags that we like to use from Lo & Sons when we travel. And you know, like Candy said, it really depends on like what we're doing while we're traveling. But mainly the 2 backpacks we take with us all the time, and it really comes in handy. Also, they fit really nicely underneath the seat in front of you too. And yeah, so this purse, now that I'm looking at it, I want this now. So I'm gonna ask if Lo & Sons.
What color would you get?
I don't know, I do like the white,
Yeah.
but maybe, I don't know, I do like black too because it matches a lot of
The black would
stuff.
look just like this.
Yeah.
'Cause it's the same material.
Yeah, the sling bag I probably wouldn't use because I carry a lot of, I mean, if I go out and I use a separate bag, I usually take my camera with me, and that's what sold me on this, was that I could like put a camera in it. So that's nice.
Yeah.
And you know, like you said, it has like different lengths that you can put it at too, which is really cool.
I really like the way to carry it like this because I don't really have like a nice evening bag. So I'm like, oh, I was like, and how do I have like a nice evening bag?
That too. You know, it really does have.
It's very elegant.
It's very versatile.
Yes.
So yeah, we hope this review helped you out. And as we mentioned, all of these bags we have detailed review of, individual videos of. So go ahead and check them out if you want more info, detailed info on these. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.